Chairperson Jonas R. Alto. Please step forward, Miss SK number 2, and pick your hashtag. Your hashtag. Hashtag health.
Para sa akin, ito ang pagpapahalaga sa ating kalusugan. Ito yung dapat natin umiwasan. Dahil binigay ito ng Panginoon ng buong buo at huwag natin sayangin at atin itong pangalagaan. Yun lang ang maraming salamat.
Please step forward, Miss SK number 3, and pick your hashtag. Your hashtag. Hashtag youth empowerment.
Ikolbaan.
Thank you so much, Miss SK number 3. Miss SK number 4, it's your time to shine. Please pick your hashtag. Your hashtag. Hashtag education.
Education. Education to achieve it when you to achieve. How to use education is
Wah, dawa pa.
ang edukasyon at kailangan natin lahat para
Nalawa. Ang ganda na. Lang. Lang. Isa mo na.
ito ay nagbibigay sa atin ng kaalaman.
Danaw. Puro ko danaw.
Wala bilang ibang tao dahil marunong tayong intindi dahil meron itong education.
Thank you so much, Miss SK number 4. Please step forward, Miss SK number 5. And for the information about our candidates, you can use any dialect as long as you are comfortable. SK number 5, your hashtag. Hashtag LGBT. number 8. Please step forward, Miss Essay number 9. And read your question. Your hashtag. Hashtag Kabataang Lawligan.
Mau lagi na siya ni mag-out kaya. Kurbaan man. Kurbaan. Para madali. Kurbaan man ko na sila.
So, magandaan tayo ang para mapanatili natin ang laban.
Thank you so much, Miss Essay number 9. Miss Essay number 10. Please pick your hashtag. Your hashtag. Hashtag teenage pregnancy.
Sorry. So, hashtag teenage pregnancy happens when a girl aged between 13 and 17 gets pregnant. And I will discuss to you the impacts of teenage pregnancy. There are negative impacts. If a girl gets pregnant in her early years, of course, lack of education. If the girl is pregnant in her early years, there's a possibility that she will stop her education. Second, peer pressure. Peer discrimination. The peer will discriminate her because of being pregnant in the early years. And the impacts of teenage pregnancy in society is that maybe a lot of girls will say that it's okay to be pregnant in early years because in Philippines there's a lot of issues. There are a lot of percent that the girls is getting pregnant in early years, and maybe the reason why there's a lot of girls getting pregnant in early years is because there's lack of educational teaching about pregnancy, educational teaching about consciousness or condoms.